Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can defeat bandits on Blox Fruits game of Roblox to complete the first quest. Okay, let's get into it guys. When the first time you join the Blox Fruits game on Roblox, you need to start the bandit quest like this. um, you can interact with the NPC and then start the bandit quest. And the quest says that you need to defeat 5 bandits. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how you can complete the quest. You can click on this punch icon and then you can search the bandit. Okay, the bandits will spawn around the map and you just need to defeat them like this. And defeating bandits will increase your level. Okay, the bandit is right there. Okay, and you can earn money by defeating the bandits. Okay, and just defeat 5 bandits and you will complete the quest. Okay guys, and that's how we can defeat bandits to complete the first quest on Blox Fruits game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!